Exposed linear encoders are used in the semiconductor industry, in automatic placement machines and measuring machines, and generally in applications with very high accuracy requirements. Nothing should compromise the scanning signal. That's the purpose of the new signal processing ASIC HSP 1.0 from Heidenhain, as this demonstration unit shows. Two measuring standards are mounted in parallel. A slide with the scanning heads of the linear encoders moves over them. The LIP 6000 serves only for comparison as the more accurate reference standard. Two LIDA 48 scanning heads mounted next to each other over the upper scale tape make the measurement to be examined. In the comparative measurement, the slide moves over the measuring standards. While doing so, both LIDA scanning heads encounter typical contamination planted on the upper scale. A blister belt fragment, a piece of wire, a fingerprint, a drop of epoxy adhesive. When the LIDA scanning heads move over the scale, the signal amplitudes and the position value differences from the LIP 6000 reference standard are recorded and displayed. Even at first glance, you can see that the characteristics for the LIDA scanning head with the HSP 1.0 are significantly flatter. After linear error compensation, a direct comparison of measurement results becomes possible. With the HSP 1.0, the signal amplitude is nearly constant at 1 volt peak to peak, and the position error is practically cut in half. In principle, Heidenhain encoders provide stable scanning signals that need no stabilization. Nevertheless, contamination on the measuring standard or on the scanning reticle can impair these scanning signals. The signal processing ASIC HSP 1.0 is effective especially against such contamination. It ensures a permanently stable measuring signal with almost no deterioration of the noise component or the interpolation accuracy. Reliability, accuracy, and functionality are at a constantly high level and remain unaffected by the contamination.